Are you jumping? Jumpy, 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 jumper. Just with the left foot though, not with the right. Don't you dare. You done?
I'm tired now.
You done? No.
Just sit there.
She's got to stay awake till 11:30. Because I said so. You're a dork. Well, there you go. Now you're using both feet.
See how better it jumps?